Good morning, sir, and good morning, all. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell about myself. My name is Purba Dash. I am coming from Bagnan. Now, I want to share a topic with you, which is how I spent my Puri visit. Actually, I visited Puri about 6 or 7 years ago. So, I cannot. Actually, I forgot the year and those all the details about it. So uh, before the before the visit before the visit uh, about 7 or 8 days ago, my father came to us and told us that we no মানে অনেক দিন কেটে গেছে. It's so long. We did not visit anywhere. So after listening this, I became very happy. Yeah. So I there was a close relative which is my পিসিমণিকে কি বলে ভুলে গেছি. Auntie, paternal auntie. So she is too much close of us. So when I listened this, I just called her and told everything to her, and they then we decided that when we went there, where we stay, and uh, yeah, everything. We completed the planning, and um, the day when we started our journey in the morning, my paternal uncle and auntie, their two sons, came to our house, and there was so many people. There was my family and their family. About 12 or 13 members were there. So we started our journey about at night. I forgot the by train. So in the starting on this trip, we enjoyed very much. Actually, personally, I like to visiting in night time. So yeah, so this way the night was মানে চলে গেল. The night was past, and actually there was the seat. No, মানে সব আলাদা আলাদা সিট ছিল মাঝখানে. Yeah, the seat was not together. মাঝখানে একটা আলাদা বগি ছিল. There was an uh, in our মানে আমাদের মাঝখানে between us there were a another compartment, and after the মানে তার কম্পার্টমেন্টের পরে, after just the compartment, there was my paternal auntie and their not their family. Some people were there. So yeah. So in the morning, when I remember the time, it was 6:13 or 6:15. So in the morning, so I called my paternal auntie, and she told me that I am feeling hungry. So there was some bread and banana. We all Bengalis become hungry when they are in. So there was some food in with us. So I told to my father then that I want to go there for মানে ওদেরকে দেওয়ার জন্য, for hand over the food. So my father, at first my father told no, because there was another compartment. We didn't know anyone. So after some arguments, my father was agreed. Yeah, I won the battle. So then I and my sister was started মানে যাওয়া শুরু করলাম, walking through the compartment, and in the middle of this compartment, I realized that মানে আমার ভালো লাগছে না যেতে। I didn't feel good, so I came back where I where was my seat. But my sister, she didn't back, and when she was in the middle of this compartment, we just reached in Puri station, and unfortunately, she was মানে এতই নার্ভাস হয়ে গেছিল, became so much nervous. She just sit into the between the that seat, and we all just নেমে পড়লাম ট্রেন থেকে, got down from the train. She just sitting there. So always totally confused. So মানে এখনো পর্যন্ত till now my father always said that where was my two daughter, there was some problem. So then my father, we just joined together, and then we just realized that there was my sister was missing. So my father face was became pinkish red. So then my father again went to the compartment and searching, but uh, he didn't find her. So sometimes later my mother started crying, and then I saw that my sister was walking to us. My sister was walking to us, and then we went to a hotel, a pre-booked hotel, and then we changed our dress, freshen up, and then we went to the mandir, Puri Jagannath Mandir, and there no, আগেও হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আগে গেছি। So we went to there, and there was so many মানে পুরোহিতকে কি বলে? There was so many panda, yeah, panda, there was too many pandas. So actually they just hack your brain, and they too much bad, and they charge too much money without anything else. So they just মানে আমাদেরকে বোঝাচ্ছিল অনেকক্ষণ ধরে। Yeah, they just make us understand that if we offered one time food to the Lord, so the great future is waiting for us. So my father just offered one time meal to the Lord, and then তারপর মনে পড়ছে না। Then after that we visited অন্য জায়গায় ঘুরেছিলাম, different places, and uh, sometimes later, some hours later, we just came again to there for take the prasad, take the Mahaprasad, and one of those pandas, one of panda, see, he just told us the মানে নিয়ম rules to how to eat those Mahaprasad. That was many rules, like you cannot take food in chair, you have to sit মানে নিচে ground, in the ground, and you have to take the food in banana leaf, which is given by them, not any type of plastic material. And uh, before the meal you ate, you have to wash your hand, and uh, before the meal, yeah, and when you just finished your food, you can মানে মুখ ধোয়া, when you firstly wash your mouth, that water you cannot spill outside, you have to eat this. So there was too many rules, and then we came back our hotel, and ate the Mahaprasad, and this was absolutely too much tasty, and their smell is also very different, totally different. So yeah, uh, there was too many of people. Actually, we are 12 or 13 members, but those Mahaprasad equally distributed. No, মানে কিছুই নষ্ট হয়নি. Nothing was wasted. So then we took a short nap, and again we visited many temples, and at night we visited in Puri beach. And then when we came back to our hotel, uh, as usual things were happening, and yeah, we visit all those, but right now I cannot remember the place. Call up, yeah, call, call up right now. And the last day when we মানে আমাদের যেদিন ট্রেন ছিল, when our train was there, return train was there, my brother and my father was decided that uh, we মানে ওই হোটেলটা আমরা কিনবো, we take lease of this hotel. So when I we just came back to our home after 5 or 6 days later, my father and my brother again went to the hotel, and from those days till now my father yeah there. And my father was মানে খুব মানে জগন্নাথকে খুব respect, believe him to the Lord, and there was a big size. Yeah. So after this business, my father just built our house. So he just মানে নাম রাখা, kept the name of my house is Nilachal, which is মানে yeah, the Jagannath also. So there was too much big type of মানে photo frame was there in our house. Yeah, it's bigger than me. So that's how was going on. Thank you.